So the main objective was to introduce the students to dystopian stories, particularly written by women, and also to get them to start thinking about what's the nature of a dystopian story, get them to use their imaginations to write their own. The school comes from Bradford, and they are a school that works with a charity called First Story, that works in schools in disadvantaged areas to bring creative writers to the school in order to stimulate imagination, boost self-esteem, all of that. So it's a First Story school. We've worked with the Leeds Library, who supplied the amazing venue and beautiful kind of book-lined room that we're in.
A chance to write their own for the first time and actually become creators of this kind of work rather than just consumers, and also make them aware of where this writing comes from. So the tradition of women who've written in this mode going right back to as early as 1900.
My failed attempts at yelling my way to freedom was made a minority by the continuous chanting of blasphemy. I realised every day that my future will always remain as my limited viewing. The wily blinds glue itself down to the window of my freedom, leaving me with no one else to turn to except for God. God, my Saviour, my Creator. God shines a light on the holy books and allows me to disregard the people led astray by the devil. Thankful. My body falls onto the bed, and the crack of light nurtures my body as a mother bear does her cubs.
I think it has a really positive impact on them because the issues we're tackling are things that women writing for one thing, and this idea of women forced into stereotypes and the kind of possible futures that they've got. They really are interested in that, and it helps them think about their lives and the kind of roles that they're being forced into as well, and politically in the world. I think they're really interested in what's going on in America and in England too.
Where's my job?
You can have it if you move. Well, they've really engaged with the ideas, I think, as well, haven't they? They've really gotten on board with this idea of a girl being, suppressed by the patriarchy and that kind of idea.
So it's relevant.
Yeah, really relevant, yeah.